Hey travel enthusiasts! You dream of exploring the world, but your wallet screams staycation? Don't worry, Globetrotters on a budget. Today, we're cracking the code on free travel, or almost free. We'll explore creative ways to slash costs, find hidden gems, and experience the world without breaking the bank. Buckle up, adventure seekers, because it's about to get wanderlust worthy. House sitting, become a pet-loving palace guard. Websites like Trusted House Sitters connect you with homeowners who need pet care while they're away. Free accommodation, furry friends, and maybe even a pool. Sign us up! Volunteer and work exchanges, trade your skills for stays. Platforms like Worldpackers match volunteers with hosts who need help with things like farm work, language exchange, or website design. It's a win-win, free accommodation, cultural immersion, and new experiences. Home exchange, swap homes with fellow travelers. Trusted platforms like Home Exchange connect you with people in different countries, letting you live like a local without the hotel bill. Discover hidden neighborhoods and make new friends. Hitchhiking, embrace the adventure. While safety first is paramount, responsible hitchhiking can be a budget-friendly and eco-conscious way to travel. Carpooling, share the ride, share the cost. Apps like BlaBlaCar connect drivers with passengers heading in the same direction. Splitting fuel costs saves money and makes new travel buddies. Cycling, the ultimate budget and eco-friendly travel. Explore at your own pace, soak in the scenery, and get some exercise. Bonus points for packing light. Free walking tours, get insider tips and historical insights from passionate locals. Many offer free tours with optional tips at the end. A great way to discover hidden gems and meet fellow travelers. Museum-free days, many museums offer free admission on specific days or hours. Research beforehand and plan your exploration around these free slots. Embrace the outdoors, nature's playground is free. Hiking, swimming, picnicking in parks, explore the beauty around you without spending a dime. Cook your own meals, hostel kitchens or picnicking in parks save tons compared to eating out. Travel in the off-season, lower prices, fewer crowds, enjoy a more authentic experience and save money. Utilize travel reward programs, credit cards, loyalty programs, rack up points and redeem them for free flights and stays. Be flexible, open to last-minute deals, alternative destinations, and spontaneous. Remember, the most valuable souvenirs are memories, not receipts. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, the world is your oyster, even on a tight budget. So pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and get ready to travel for free. Adventures. You might discover hidden gems. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels!